In 1987, Jamaica lost one of its brightest young voices, a DJ so talented that King Jammy swore he could have become as big as Bounty Killer. His name? Major Worries, and the mystery of his death still haunts dancehall to this day. This is One Drop Facts, where we keep it real, keep it roots, and tell the stories Babylon don't want remembered. Ready? Let's roll. Born Wayne Jones in Spanish Town in 1966, he grew up with the nickname Worries because his father said he was always restless, always giving trouble. But when he touched the mic, that energy transformed into fire. By 1985, he joined King Jammy's sound system, right at the dawn of digital dancehall. And alongside future stars like Shabba ranks, Major Worries stood out. His debut hit Topa became an instant classic, a raw, witty story about a drunk searching for liquor. Then came Babylon Boops, a clever disco mix that poked fun at Jamaica's sugar daddy culture. In no time, the young DJ was tearing down dances, trading lyrics with Admiral Bailey, even teaming up with Chaka Demus. But in August 1987, everything ended. The official story? Depends who you ask. Some say a security guard shot him in Spanish Town. Others, and most credible accounts, say a Kingston policeman killed him after Worries tried to break up an argument. The people cried out, was it murder? Was it another cover-up? Remember, this was the same decade where General Echo was shot by police in 1980, Carlton Barrett was gunned down in 1987, and Tenor Saw died under mysterious circumstances in 1988. For fans, Worries' death wasn't just a tragedy, it was part of a terrifying pattern. Even King Jammy admitted, if Worries had lived, he'd be one of the biggest DJs in Jamaica. Posthumous tracks like Mek Some Money and Hunter's Crossing revealed just how much potential was left in the vault. And in 1994, Beanie Man's No Mama No Cry immortalized him alongside Tenor Saw, General Echo, and Free Eye, cementing Major Worries as part of dancehall's fallen heroes. His story is more than music. It's a reminder of how violent the 1980s were for Jamaican artists, and how many voices were silenced before they could fully rise. Yet, despite the bullets, the rumors, and the grief, Major Worries' name still echoes whenever selectors drop those King Jammy rhythms. So tell me, was Major Worries destined to be one of dancehall's greatest, or did Babylon cut him down before the world could know? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
He was 21, a rising DJ on King Jammy's sound, destined for greatness. But one night in Kingston, a bullet silenced his voice forever. Decades later, his name still echoes. Major Worries, gone too soon.
One drop, one love, one mission. Stay groovy.